Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put on some blusher and some bronzer. Now, here we go. So I have got the Delilah matte. This one's light to medium. They do one that's medium to dark, which is a bit darker as well, but I'm pretty pale at the moment. So this is a matte bronzer called Sunset, and it's lovely because it's got no glitter in it. So I use this to do like a basic sort of bronzing contour. Gone are the days of this with bronzer. We don't do that anymore. So this is where I tend to put my bronzer. So round the edges, so it's high points of the face, underneath the cheekbone here, and you can get a bit deeper and go towards, when you go towards your ear, just gives a really nice sort of, you know, dip, let's say. And then underneath your jawbone, just to blend through. And you can see it just looks a bit more three-dimensional rather than just the foundation when you look a bit flat. Same, I have already done this side. And then you can put a little bit on the end of your nose and a bit on the chin. It's where the sun would naturally hit, and it just naturally picks up the high points of your face. And then I have got a Lullaby blusher here, again by Delilah, which is just like a really nice soft baby pink blush. I tend to be a bit of a blusher fiend, so I have to reel myself back in. But again, sort of where you're smiling and backwards, and again you can just blend it all through. If you feel that you've put too much on, you can always get a nice big powder brush and just blend it all through, and it just softens it out, but it gives quite a nice dimension. And as long as the blusher sort of blends through into the contour, you're good. Here we go.